Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shapes or icon to your Animoto videos. Even though Animoto does not have a built-in shapes, do not worry, it's super easy and works perfectly for making your videos look more professional. Animoto is an online video making platform that lets you create professional looking video easily without needing advanced editing skills. Basically, it's a smart video editor for anyone, especially if you do not want to deal with complicated software. So first you need to download the shapes or icons you want to use. You can download it from any website, and next log into your Animoto account and make sure you have your Animoto app. You can download it from the App Store or the Play Store, and make sure you log into your Animoto account as well. And you need to open to your Animoto, and the next is you can go to my videos on the bottom left. Here you can find your video, and over here you need to click on the upload media on the bottom, then select a file you've downloaded, and Animoto will upload it to your project. And once uploaded, you can drag the icon or shape on the slide where you want it to appear. And while Animoto does not let you directly change the color of the PNG, you can customize the size, placement and timing, make it appear at a specific moment in your video or disappear with Animoto slide timing for extra effect. And once everything is in place, you can select the preview to see how your icon and shape looks in the video. And to do that, you can select on the top right icon, and make sure do not forget to save your project or export it to share online. And that's it. Even without built-in shape, you can add professional icons to your Animoto video using PNG files. If this video helped you, make sure to hit and subscribe for more quick Animoto tips, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.